Sunday!
That time check was brought to you by Bingo Plus. Bingo sa saya, plus sa panalo.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang kape ko, Santhon Plus Coffee Mix. Ang kape na gawa sa Santhon, soya at malunggay. Sarap araw-arawin. Santhon Plus Coffee Mix. May kape ka na, may gamot ka pa. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang Unique Toothpaste, may Max Protect Formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with Unique Toothpaste Maximum Fluoride Protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Tuhod, siko, baywang, aray! Pag laging pasan ang sakit sa kasukasuan, sign na yan ng arthritis o joint deterioration. Karaniwan kapag nagkakaedad na, kailangan ng tibay at ginhawang makakapitan. Kaya ng artrisin yan. May undenatured type 2 collagen at methylsulfonyl methane na maaaring makatulong protektahan ang kalusugan ng kasukasuan. Make the right move. Uminom ng artrisin araw-araw. Mabibili ang artrisin sa mga leading drugstores nationwide. Mahalagang paalala, ang artrisin ay hindi gamot at hindi maaaring gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Ngayong 2025, ang lucky number mo ay 312! Dahil sa Bingo Plus, may chance kang manalo ng 312 million pesos sa jackpot. Piso lang to play and may up to 4,317 pesos na cashback. Bingo sa saya plus sa panalo. Download the Bingo Plus app or visit bingoplus.com.
Promo runs from February 4, 2024 to December 31, 2025. EGLD reference number MKTG-2024-2654. Gaming for 21 years old and above only. Keep it fun. Game responsibly. Visit pagcor.ph/regulatory or email keepitfun@pagcor.ph.
Kung ikaw ay edad 50 pataas katulad ko, may mataas na ang risk ng panlalabo ng paningin. Mas challenging ang pang-araw-araw na gawain tulad ng pagbabasa, pagsusulat, at pagmamaneho. Ang Optin ay may lutin na maaari makatulong sa kalusugan ng mata, nilalabanan ang epekto ng glaucoma, macular degeneration at katarata. Kitang-kita ang kalusugan.
Mabibili ang Optin sa mga pangunahing butika nationwide. Mahalagang paalala, ang Optin ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Relax, it's time to laugh.
Comedy superstar Russell Peters is coming to Manila. Relax World Tour on April 15 at the Samsung Hall.
Vegans are the ISIS of the vegetarian world. I don't even think they have blood in them. If you cut them, like those packing peanuts come out of them.
Russell Peters, Relax World Tour in Manila. Book your tickets now at smtickets.com. Presented by Wilbros Live.
DCXL News, ang himpilan ng RMN.